it's Todd with Mulligan's blog, and I just want to kind of take you around our Kodiak 242RB for rear bath and SL for slide. So it's 242RBSL, and it is a 22 that we actually had delivered to us in March of 23, brand new. And as you can see, I got my ladder out here because we're going to actually go up onto the roof of the unit. Okay, our tires, we store this in a locked lot, and our tires, I use once a month a UV cream rub on these so that they stay very nice. And I don't know if you can see my tread, but my tread's all good and uniform. My brakes are good on here, and everything, we go around once a month and we tighten up anything that might be loose on it. Right here is the freshwater fill connect, and then of course our door. There's one of our upgrades we did. We did an RV lock on ours, so we really enjoy that, and it's nice out of camp. This little bracket here, the rig comes with a griddle that hangs off. Water heater, so you can see that real quick. I've got the plug out because it's been drained and winterized. Okay, this is with the dinette slide out. It runs very smoothly out. Okay, hi and welcome. This is the inside. After we got all of our stuff out, we thought we'd show you the inside of our unit with the slide out. So this is the Kodiak 242 rear bath SL for slide. And as you can see, it comes with an Insignia TV that has a really good picture. That's on digital right now. Honestly, I don't watch it on digital. I usually just watch it on. We have Wi-Fi and we stream our YouTube TV. But great picture. Does a good job. Also down there, got a lot of sunlight in, but hopefully we can see this. We have a remote fireplace. So let's turn that on a minute. So that can give you different levels of heat. And it's really nice in the early spring or the fall for warming up the trailer a little bit without running the propane heater. Okay, so let's try to show you. This is the dinette. It's out on the slide. And if I sit back here on my theater seat in front of my TV, you can see I have awesome room. I don't know whether it's showing that on this camera or not, but it's one of the reasons we picked this coach. The second reason we picked this coach was a few items that I'll show you at the end. But the fireplace and the TV are great. The dinette is very comfortable. Obviously the dinette table goes down. The two back cushions go across it, and you've got another bed there. The theater seating across from the TV and the fireplace are right here. They're Thomas Paine theater seats. Very nice. Nice little end table next to them with an electrical plug. One thing I hate about pictures and reviews that people do is they don't show enough electrical plugs. And I'll show you this right now too. This is where we keep all the remotes, so we know where they are. Let's take a look at the kitchen. In the kitchen, we've got a nice big counter area. Here. We have a little cutting board sink cover here, and it covers a very large farmer's sink. And that is the hose for the back of the trailer that I showed earlier, where we have an outdoor shower. So I keep that right in there for now. And then we have this beautiful faucet so that we can fill up large pans of water if we have to or anything like that. And then of course we've got the window open right now, but these shades come down. On all other shades, we have room darkening shades, and they work very well. And they do very well. Lights are all over the place. There's a light. There's two lights up there, a third here that's on a motion detector. There's two in the bathroom that are on a motion detector. These are on. Before we go in the bathroom, let me just finish showing you this. So I did put up some shelving in here to divide this space so that we could use it for other stuff. And I intentionally left it short so that we could keep syrup bottles and different taller things here. She carries olive oil with us because my wife loves to cook. This one over the recliners, same way. It's a very large, door has a full screen, and again I showed you on the outside that it has a RV lock, combination lock that we put on. You've got two drawers here. And all of your heating in the main compartment is ducted through the furniture. So you do not have ducts that when you're sweeping that you have to worry about. We picked up a little garbage can that goes in here that we use for garbage. We have a propane stove, and this has never been used, actually. And my wife keeps pots down here usually. And then, of course, it has a microwave, a light, and a fan. 3-burner stove. Our favorite thing about this coach is we do not have a propane refrigerator. We have a 12-volt refrigerator freezer. We love the depth that it gives us, and yeah, we put a whole big 22-pound bag of ice on the bottom, and we put whatever meats and stuff we're taking up on the top, and it really works out well for us. And then this is our 12-volt refrigerator. Again, very big, lots of shelving. One thing we like about this is when we have a gallon of milk that we want to put in here, that middle slides in. So it's just a great unit. Then when we come into the bathroom, we have backlighting on the vanity here. I just have a note on here that I winterized it and left the water heater in bypass. That's all that note is. So, and then we have a nice medicine cabinet in here that is very nice. Plugs over here for your hair dryers, and then down here we have toilet paper, and we have the storage down here where we put towels. That panel down there, I do not have it on tight because come spring I would be going in there and taking the water heater. That's where I bypass the water heater when I put antifreeze in. This is a 310 Dometric 310, I don't know, Dom 310, that's what I call it. And So it is a porcelain toilet. We upgraded that before we even camped in it. We have our shower. It's a rectangular shower. It has plenty of room. It has a great fan in there. You turn that fan on and then open the vent in the bedroom. Sometimes you don't even have to open the windows. You can pull through. But we do have ducted air conditioning. You have a duct in here. You have ducts there, 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 and somewhere else. A coach that we could access 100%, and by 100% meant that when the slide was in, we could stop and have a sandwich, use the bathroom, and if I was tired, I could actually take a rest in the bedroom. And that's exactly what we got with this coach. Let me put the slide in.